Honestly speaking, I don't know her name. So far, I came to know she is a Dhaka University student. Student demonstrators who ousted Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. She is one of the best actors, I think. Her fiery speech, the melodic chants, police at the back, freedom is ahead, echoing in my ears constantly. I don't know how long I will remember her. She reminds me the lyric The Solitary Reaper by William Wordsworth. Whatever the theme the maiden sang, as if her song could have no ending. I saw her singing at her work and o'er the sickle bending. I listened, motionless and still, and as I mounted up the hill, the music in my heart I bore, long after it was heard no more.
আমি মানি না কোনো আইন, আমি ভরাতরি করি ভরা ডুবি, আমি টর্পেডো, আমি ভীম ভাসমান মাইন, আমি ধৈর্যটি, আমি এলোকেশে ঝড় অকাল বৈশাখীর, আমি বিদ্রোহী সুত বিশ্ববিধাত্রীর।